Welcome back to Auto Universe, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we have something truly special, the 2026 Ford Bronco. Ford has taken this legendary off-roader to the next level with exciting updates, improved technology, and enhanced performance. So, is this the ultimate adventure sub? Let's find out. At first glance, the 2026 Ford Bronco retains its signature boxy shape, but with some modern refinements. Ford has introduced new LED headlights with a more aggressive look, an updated grille design, and fresh color options like desert sand, midnight blue, and glacier white. The reinforced steel bumpers give it a more muscular stance, while the new 18-inch alloy wheels are wrapped in all-terrain tires, perfect for tackling any landscape. And for those who love customization, the Bronco now offers removable fender flares and new roof rack options for extra gear. Under the hood, Ford has made some exciting changes. The 2026 Bronco now comes with an updated 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6, pushing out 340 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque. But if that's not enough, Ford is offering a new hybrid powertrain, delivering an impressive 400 horsepower while maintaining great fuel efficiency. For the off-road enthusiasts, the Sasquatch package returns, featuring 35-inch mud-terrain tires, upgraded Bilstein shocks, and electronic front and rear locking differentials. The GOAT goes over any terrain mode now includes an AI-assisted terrain scanner, helping drivers adjust suspension and throttle response automatically. Step inside, and you'll notice Ford has improved the Bronco's interior with higher quality materials and advanced technology. The new 14-inch Sync 5 touchscreen dominates the dashboard, providing wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and real-time off-road navigation. The digital instrument cluster has also been upgraded with a customizable HUD heads-up display showing crucial off-road data like tire pressure, incline angles, and GPS coordinates. And for those long adventures, the Bronco now offers massaging front seats and a premium B&O sound system to keep you comfortable. Safety is a priority for Ford, and the 2026 Bronco is loaded with smart driver assistance features. The Ford Copilot 360 Plus now includes. Whether you're on the highway or exploring remote trails, these features make the Bronco safer than ever. So, how much will the 2026 Ford Bronco set you back? The base model starts at around $38,000, while the high-performance Raptor Edition can go up to $72,000. Final thoughts. Ford has done an incredible job refining the Bronco, making it more powerful, smarter, and even more capable off-road. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a hardcore adventurer, the 2026 Bronco is one of the best off-road SUVs you can buy. What do you think about the 2026 Ford Bronco? Is it the ultimate off-road SUV? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome car reviews. Until next time, keep exploring, and we'll see you on the road.